Alright, I'm live.
That's what I thought.
I don't think. Right. Yeah, those are. Yeah, she ain't going. Yeah. So you do more than oil changes?
Yeah, I do. Do light bulbs, alternators, valve cover, gaskets, oil pan gaskets, brakes, drive line, steering gears. Anything that's got a bolt, a part, grease, or fluid, I do it. I do most electricals, not all. I don't do stereos and speakers. And, I don't do paint and all that. I do what gets the car going. And, some folks be wanting a detail and a new paint job, but the car don't start. We're gonna make sure the car starts so that way you can get your car start on the way to get your detail. But yeah, looking at this turn signal above here. Hey,